Okay, as you can see here on the lid, these are both 12-inch Dutch ovens. And you'll notice I have a key on this Dutch oven, and it matches to the base. If I'm at a Dutch oven cook-off or a big gathering with a bunch of ovens are being used, at the end of the day, I want to go home with my Dutch oven and lid. This lid matches this oven, and I want to keep them together. You notice on this one I've used a Ford key and cut off just left the head on here. And again, it matches my lid to my base. One handy trick is to mark your Dutch ovens. And my dad and I, we would always mark them with a key head on a wire. We'd hang it off the lid and one off the side. But a friend of mine uses a dremel tool, which you can see here, and we're going to go ahead and engrave a shape. In this case, a circle on the edge of the lid right here, as well as on the base of the Dutch oven. And the reason we'll do that is because when I go and cook Dutch ovens with a big group of people, I want to get my lid back with the base of my Dutch oven. I don't want to have them switched. Beautiful. I've written Trav on the side, as well as right here by the handle. Now I'll always be able to keep my Dutch oven lid and base together. The reason I like to do that is I've seen Dutch ovens where the lid is warped. There's a space in here. And I've seen where a lid from one Dutch oven does not fit well on another. And there's lots of different makes and models. So now I know forevermore this Dutch oven's going to be the way that it was manufactured. All right, and on this one, I engraved a couple of triangles. They may not be pretty, but they're functional. Again, that matches lid to base, so this Dutch oven will cook the way it was manufactured, and I'll be able to tell this one's mine.